Alright, so this is the $10,000 airplane. We paid for $10,000 airplane parody. Let me show you guys a little bit around. I've seen a lot of these on YouTube, people showing their airplane, how they're rich or whatever. So I'm gonna show you our. So we are on Spirit. Let me say it again, Spirit, so you guys know that's a lot. So I'll show you the leg room first off. Let me show you the leg room. We have a lot of leg room. So right here you guys can see how much leg space we have. It's a lot, and we have these little things. I've never seen this on a normal plane. It's so weird. It's like just so much space and room. And then right here, just look, I can like fully stretch out to about right there. I can put my leg in the aisle. I can bring it back. Look at all that leg room. We all have leg rooms. They do have menus also with drinks and things. And look at the window. Look at the view. Look at that view. Like, come on now. Come on now. That view is great. Nice space, nice view. Everything's nice. $10,000 airplane. So now I know what you guys came for. You're talking about the shower. Y'all want to see the shower? I'm finna go take a shower for y'all right now. I'm finna go in the bathroom. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go take it right now. I'll see y'all in the bathroom. So I'm in the bathroom right now, and look how big this is. Like the toilet is all nice. Like look at that. Where have you seen a toilet on an airplane? You got this air vent right here. Got some lights. There's a lot of room. There is the shower right there. I will be using this soap to clean my body up. It's a little broken down here, but well paid. Lights up here. Everything's looking swell. So let's go ahead and take the shower right real fast. Alright, so I'm gonna get in the shower. Just happy I was able to get
when you ride that
the first class $10,000 flight.
It's what you get.
Yeah, this is what you.
It's it right here. The Spirit. Yo, the Spirit man. Yes. Good Lord.
It got worse. It's good.
It got worse.
Have they opened the doors yet?
Yeah, people are walking out now.
They are good.
You can't see it.
Walking out in front of you, so.
I could have before, now I can't. Alright, so we're about to land right now. But yeah, that was the shower. I'm gonna show you a clip for our vacation we just took. So I'm gonna play the clip. Let me know how you liked it. It's pretty good, but this is just a little parody. If you want to see more parodies like this, just let me know. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the video. Hope you guys hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Finna jump off the cliff. I'll show you. I'm gonna record right now. My foot. I'm scared. What if the water gets in here? It's not. I'm trying not to fall. I'm gonna jump straight into the fish. I'm gonna record. Yeah, well, I put the dollar in it, I mean the money in it, it worked.
So I'm nervous.
Do it. You got this. You gotta do it now. Did it. Got this. Good job.
I don't know if it's
Oh, no, that big one. No, I didn't.
This is gonna be bad, man. I'm just gonna do it.
Anybody got off the top one yet?
That hurt my eye. Oh! Yeah. Oh! My eye never.
All the signs I know.